Good afternoon, everyone. This is Group 8, and we're doing Help at UCF. Going into background, target users. The target audience for this mobile application, it's intended for UCF faculty, staff, and students. All of these users are unique in the sense that they go to UCF and can fully utilize this application and all of its features. Going into problem definition. As UCF grows and expands each year, so does its issues with safety and security. It's unfortunate, but it does happen. While UCF does have those emergency poles across campus, they are very limited in what they can do, mainly location services. The problem with what we found is that the poles are not always near you when you do need one. With our application, that will fix that. So we will be able to provide 24/7 emergency service no matter where you are on campus, near a pole or not. And we also do plan on implementing a messaging feature which will be extra helpful in servicing emergencies. Efficiency is very key in situations like this, so time and preparation is everything. By downloading this application and using it, you'll be able to provide emergency services with faster and more efficient results, allowing them to save more lives. Going into novelty, our application has been done before, but based off of what we've done with research and testing and stuff on the other applications, ours is very much more efficient. Our UI is much more cleaner. It takes less clicks to actually get out the emergency. And as we continue to the process of creating our prototype, we're bound to run into features that we may or may not put in. This will allow our product to stand out above the rest and bring in more down.
By a team of UCF students to combat the need for emergency services across campus. Help at UCF is meant to be used as a third-party application that is downloaded onto the device and used to communicate and reach emergency personnel when needed. It features a sleek design that is easily accessible and 3 options based on your emergency. We offer services for police, fire rescue, and EMS. Once you have selected the service you are requiring, you will be taken to a follow-up screen displaying your current geolocation and options to either call, text message, or video chat with the responders. You can also cancel your request if you deem it as a false alert. All in all, Help at UCF is just another way to make our campus a safer place and reach for the stars.
Open our app, you have a loading screen to Help at UCF. You log in with your username or email, password, log in with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Once you log in, you have to agree to have location services on, otherwise the application won't work. You can talk between the medical, police, and fire departments at UCF. So if you want to call the police, you can do voice chat, phone call, or texting for those situations where you cannot speak. Same with medical and fire. For settings, we have accounts. You can add users or change information. We actually expanded and we added more features to this, adding medication, blood type, and insurance. Notifications, your basic notifications. Languages, you have 4 languages that you can choose from. Privacy, your basic privacy notice. Help, help/FAQ. And then about us, for an error message, you had something like this. Thank you.
In order for the app to be successful, we had to realize that the 2 major obstacles would be speed and marketing of the application. In emergency situations, users would want to be able to access a specific service quickly, and so we gave them about 10 seconds to perform a particular task. At first, the design was rough and took a long time to navigate through, but we ended up condensing certain parts of the application and combining them together. On the other hand, we also realized that the marketing of the application would be an issue. To remedy this, we decided that the app would leverage a variety of UCF's resources since the app is partnered with them. For example, students would have to watch a video about the app as they're transitioning into enrolling into the university and also be required to learn how to use it, for example, web courses. By doing this, people trust the application more and it eliminates the other issues of privacy and confidentiality.
Okay. Through such a massive project, there were bound to be bits of info we picked up along the way. For one, coordinate with others outside your team. External sources might have information you don't necessarily have. We found out about an app called Marvel, which allowed our team to create a semi-functional prototype. All that by talking to another group working on a completely separate project. Also, don't be afraid to go back and revise your work beforehand. Our group had to go back and make some changes so we could lay down a solid groundwork for later editions. No point in building a skyscraper on a weakened foundation, right? In the end, the biggest thing was more or less assess your group's strengths early on. Michael had great experiences making GUIs, Stefan had great networking, and Joel had a good idea that helped it all come together. There's no I in team, and Group 8 learned that early on,